Hey guys, it's me TJ here, and I'm back with another Hot Wheels unboxing. So, this is a Haulin rig. As you guys see, it is bank roller. Bank roller. Comes with fast cash. So, yeah, it also has a special feature. Here's the back. Those are all of them. Big rig heat. Haulin horsepower, bank roller, stuntin' semi, desert force, and HW park and play. Fast cash holds money. Looks like the trailer you can put coins in. So I'm gonna test that. So let's open it. There we go. Oh, there's fast cash. And he fell. Come on. We'll put it in. Let me get the truck out. There we go. Fast cash is a treasure hunt, if you guys didn't know. Circle Flame logo right there on the top of the engine. There he is. Here's the truck. It's a vault on the back. That opens. Oh, it comes off too. And it probably snaps right back on. Yeah, there you go. Pretty cool. So yeah, here's fast cash. Right here. I already have him, as you guys know. He won the Hot Wheels Merge tournament. Go check that out. He can fit in there. He's in there. So I'll be right back after this break. I'm gonna get a coin to put in here. Alright guys, I got some coins here. Got 50 cents right here. So let's put them in. It acts as a bank. Pretty cool. There's fast cash. He's made to hold up. Stop rolling. He's made to hold a bill, but there you go. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, right guys, let's end this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!